Please indra la pevgen changma la tash tile shu. Ta thering khari lopsen khari insana mingshi la shabju che chenjuk na yuna ani tandang khandes tyung ku yeme te ko la ngancho lopjong nang ya yin. Today we are going to learn if vowel shabju is added to the root letter or consonant followed by na. In such case, how should we read it? How should we pronounce it? As I was saying, that this pronunciation comes in German and French, and English-speaking students and Nepali-speaking students might find it a bit difficult to pronounce it, but with practice, nothing is impossible. So, ka, shabju, ku, na, kun, yun. Every time vowel shabju is added to the root letter and followed by na, it must have the sound yun sound. For example, ka, shabju, ku, na, kun, ka, shabju, ku, na, kun. And if you are studying Buddhism, if you are studying classical Tibetan, kun means all or every. All or every. Likewise, ka, shabju, ku, na, kun. The difference is kun, 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 kun. यदि अगाडिको अक्षरको मुनि शब्जु छ र ना पछाडि आउँदैछ भने त्यतिखेर युन साउन्ड युन आवाज चाहिँ युन उच्चारण चाहिँ हुनुपर्छ. खा, शब्जु, खु, ना, खुन. गा, शब्जु, गु, ना, गुन. गा, shabju, gu, na, gun. So difference is gun, kun, gun. And then we know if rata is added to ka, how should we pronounce it? Ka, ratak, ta. Ta, shabju, tu. Na, tun. Ka, ratak, ta. Ta, shabju, tu, na, tun. Ga, latak, la. Ga, latak, la. La, shabju, lu, na, lun. Ga, latak, la. La, shabju, lu, na, lun. Ga, yatak, gya. Gya, shabju, gyu, na, gun. Ga, yatak, gya. Gya, shabju, gyu, na, gun. Ra, gata, ga. Ga, yata, gya. Gya, shabju, gyu, na, gun. Ra, gata, ga. Ga, yata, gya. Gya, shabju, gyu, na, gun. Cha, shabju, ju, na, jun. Cha, shabju, ju, na, jun. Cha, shabju, chu, na, chun, cha, shabju, chu, na, chun, ja, shabju, ju, na, jun. So the point is, if shabju is added to the root letter followed by suffix na, it should have un pronunciation, un. So kun, kun, gun, dun, lun, gun, gun, jun, chun, jun, jun, chun, jun, gun, kun, gun. Yeah, so all these I have written in these boxes. Some of them can be a word, some of them can be a part of a word or a syllable of a word, and some of them may not be even a word. The point is, I'm trying to teach you how to pronounce if shabju is added to the root letter followed by suffix sa. In such case, you should have un pronunciation at the end. Likewise, sa, ta, ta, shabju, tu, na, dun. Ta, aspirated, ta, shabju, tu, na, tun. Da, shabju, du, na, dun. Da, shabju, du, na, dun. Sa, natak, na, shabju, nu, na, nun. Sa, natak, na, shabju, nu, na, nun. Sa, patak, pa, shabju, pu, na, pun. Sa, patak, pa, shabju, pu, na, pun. Sa, patapa, payatacha. This we did earlier. We don't have shabju and suffix na. Sa, patak, pa, ratak, ta, shabju, tu, na, tun, tun. Pa, ratak, ta, shabju, tu, na, tun. Pa, ratak, ta, shabju, tu, na, tun. Ba, latak, la, shabju, lu, na, lun. Ba, latak, la, shabju, lu, na, lun. Ma, shabju, mu, na, mun. Ma, shabju, mu, na, mun. So winter class ma आउनु हुने विद्यार्थीहरूले पनि यहाँदेखिको सिक्दैन होला, सँगसँगै बुवा आमाले पनि यो सिक्नुहोस्, सिकेर पुस्तक पढ्नु सिक्नुहोस्, पढ्नु सिकेर बुद्ध धर्मको अर्थ पनि तपाईहरुले अध्ययन गर्नुहोस्. चा, shabju, chu, na, jun. Cha, shabju, chu, na, jun. Cha, shabju, chu, na, chun. Cha, shabju, chu, na, chun. Sha, not sha. Low tone. Sha. Sha, shabju, shu, na, shin. Sha, shabju, shu, na, shin. Ya, shabju, yu, na, yun. Ya, shabju, yu, na, yun. Sa, shabju, su, na, sun. Sa, shabju, su, na, sun. Sa, ratak, sa, shabju, su, na, sun. Sa, latak, da, shabju, du, na, dun. A, shabju, u, na, un. Ra, gata, ga, yata, gya. Gya, shabju, gu, na, gun. Ra, jatak, ja, shabju, zu, na, jun. And this is revision of what we did earlier, yesterday and the day before yesterday. I'm reminding you of those rules so that you won't forget it while learning new rules. Da, te, pa, faith. Da, te, pa. Na, ne. Na, ne. La, sa, le. The word tha and then. India is bigger than Nepal. Then. La, sa, le. Na, sa, ne. The English word from. I came from India. Na, sa, ne. Pa, sa, pe. Pa, sa, pe works as question mark. In Tibetan, we don't have question mark. Instead, we have pa, sa, pe, which indicates that the sentence is interrogative. Ba, yata, ja, sa, je. Galata, la. Pa, da, pe, ma, lotus, flower lotus. Pa, da, pe, ma, Ka, yata, kya, da, ke. Cha, da, che. Nga, na, ngen. Cha, na, chen. Nya, na, ngen. Sa, ta, na, ten. This we did yesterday. I'm reminding you of the rule. Nga, na, ngen. Cha, na, chen. Nya, na, ngen. Ngen is to listen. Sa, ta, na, ten. La, da, na, den. Sa, matak, ma, na, men. Men means medicine. Sa, mata, ma, na, men. Ya, na, yen. Ra, na, ren. Ren is, it is about time to. It is about time to start the class. It's about time to. Ra, na, ren is, it is about time to, and then a verb. La, na, len. La, na, len is a reply, answer, an answer, a reply. Da, rata, da, na, ten. Da, rata, da, na, ten is to the verb to remember. I don't remember. I don't remember. Do you remember? Dara da ta na 10. So यतिमै आजको क्लास समाप्त गर्दैछु। यो राम्ररी सिक्नुको लागि केहीचोटि तपाईँहरूले यो सुन्नुहोस् र बिस्तारी बिस्तारी बानी बस्छ। यो उच्चारण गर्नु नेपाली र अङ्ग्रेजी बोल्नेहरूलाई अलिकति गाह्रो परेर जान्छ। सो क्लासमा आउनुभएकोमा धन्यवाद अनि see you next time. Thank you for coming to the class. Have a good day.